Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is how to make someone an admin to your YouTube channel. Same way you can make someone admin on your Facebook. Some people don't know that they can actually make somebody an admin to their YouTube channel. Maybe you are busy and you don't know, because of your busy schedule, and you know fully well that if you're not active on YouTube for 6 months, that they are going to demonetize you. So for you to be active, and maybe you are that kind of a working class lady or a working class man, you don't have any chance of running your YouTube, but you still want to be relevant and keep posting on your YouTube, we can actually make someone an admin to your YouTube channel. So to manage things, let me just take you around and teach you how to make it. It's just very, very easy. Just in 2 minutes you can have it done. But first of all, if you've not subscribed on my channel, please do that right away before we move on. And don't forget to put on notification bell so that you can be able to be notified each time I drop a new video. It goes a long way for me. Now let's go. So you come on your YouTube studio. Like you can see, I'm on my YouTube studio. So what you have to do, please let me off. So what you have to do is you click on your picture at the right top, your profile at the right top. Sorry, your profile at the right top, and okay, sorry, I offed my data. So it will bring you here. Then you have to click on settings. When you click on settings, I'm having unnecessary notification. Don't Never mind. So when you click on settings, it will bring you here. Okay. So when you bring it here, you can see push notification, currency, permission, appearance. So what you have to do, you click on permission. It says add or change permission for your channel. Okay. You click on it. It will bring you here with your name written on it. So come down. You will see want to add more people. Click invite. So it will bring you here. Okay, when it brings you here, then look at this particular place. Is very, very sensitive. If you want to make somebody admin to your YouTube channel, listen very, very well, okay, to avoid mistake. Now the first one said manager. This is the work of the manager. Can view everything, manage permission, go live, and create, edit, and delete content. Okay. Now this is if we want to give someone a full charge of your channel, just as you. Okay. The person can do everything here. The person can even do everything, change anything he wants or she wants. Okay. Just same way you do on your Facebook. So the second one says editor. Editor can view everything, go live, and create and edit content. Can't manage permission or delete content. So the difference between editor and the manager is he can't manage permission or delete content. That means he can't give somebody permission to your channel and can't delete anything. So come down to editor limited. Editor limited, same permission as editor but can't view revenue data. So editor limited is editor but is a limited version. He can do everything like editor as editor, but cannot view your revenue, that is your earnings. Now subtitle editor can add, edit, and remove subtitles, can't view anything else. So he can add, edit, and remove subtitle, but can't view anything else. Now viewer can view everything. Sorry, I have a low battery. Viewer can view everything, can't create, edit, or delete anything. Okay. Then viewer limited, same permission as viewer but can't view revenue. So as you can see, a viewer can view everything but can't create, edit, or delete anything. But Viewer Limited has the same permission as viewer but can't view a revenue data. That means you cannot see the one your earnings. So in case someone wants to run monetization like me currently, if I want to handle your monetization settings, and I if you want make I run the monetization for you, I would ask for this. So if I ask for it, the one you can give me is, you can give me the viewer can view everything but can't create, edit, or delete. So this is the safest one for if you want to give someone permission to run your monetization. Okay, so let's move backward. Don't make mistake of making somebody a manager except you trust that person. So if you want to also the person to manage everything, do post, manage everything, give the person editor. Okay, editor is the best for channel manager. Same thing with an admin with Facebook manager on Facebook. Okay, not full control. They have partial control and all that. You don't give the person the first, you give the person the second option on your Facebook. I have a video of, if you want to make somebody admin on your Facebook, you can check other of my video is there, learn more. So after you might have checked all these things, you click the one you like. Assuming we clicked on this one, you first of all add the person's email. When you add this person email, let's use this my email, it's going to go like this. Then what you have to do is you click on anyone you want. When you click on anyone you want, then you send invitation. When you send the invitation, the person of whom the email is here will receive a notification of invitation. Then the person will accept. When the person will accept, the person can be able to manage whatever permission you've given to him or her from his or her destination or location, whichever way. So I think I've helped you on this. So please do me a favor, subscribe, like, drop a comment if you have a question. And if you need me to run your monetization, if you need me to both Facebook, I do run Facebook monetization. You have any issue on your social media, you want somebody to help you reach the criteria for all these things, please don't hesitate to get to me, except I will run it for you. Thank you very much. Thank you very, very much.